Want to master Windows Task Manager like a pro? You are in the right place. Here is a collection of powerful tips and tricks to boost performance, manage apps, and troubleshoot faster. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Task Manager is the most important program you will have access to when everything else has either crashed or not responding. The video shows some of the best tips and tricks of the Windows Task Manager. Most of this set of tips and tricks was posted by Dave Plummer on Reddit recently. He was the developer who wrote the Task Manager program in 1994 during the Windows XP days at home. He added all these essential keyboard shortcuts which still works. Power users must know most of the Task Manager tricks here, but those who don't will find this video extremely helpful in case of issues on their Windows PC. Let's get started. Method 1. How to launch the Task Manager if it crashes. When Task Manager freezes, you can't launch another copy using the usual methods. To start another, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape. This method will try to revive the stuck Task Manager or else launch a new copy. However, here is a key. If the resources are low, it will only load the process page. Method 2. How to kill Task Manager if it is not responding. Ctrl+Alt+Shift is useful when the Task Manager is corrupt or you cannot kill or close it. Using this keyboard shortcut, all internal settings of the Task Manager will reset. Method 3. Do you see Task Manager with a missing title bar or just a graph? Double-click Dead Client Space to switch back to normal mode. You can recreate this scenario by switching to CPU or GPU mode and then double-clicking on the graph. Here is what you need to do. Open Task Manager, switch to Performance tab, select CPU or GPU from the left sidebar so that you can see the graph. Double-click anywhere inside the graph area. The Task Manager window will shrink, hide the title bar, and show only the graph. Then double-click again inside the graph area. Task Manager will return to its full window with the title bar and tabs visible. Method 4. Launch Task Manager and programs without Explorer or Shell. If you have lost access to the File Explorer, then first launch Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Then click on Run New Task. Then type the short name of the programs like CMD to open command prompt. This should launch a command prompt window. Method 5. Find the location of any running program. In the Task Manager, go to the Processes tab. Then right-click on the processes in the list and then select Show File Location. You can also search it online if the file location option is missing. Method 6. Add additional columns in Task Manager. Right-click on any of the columns and you can add few more columns which are usually hidden, such as command line, power usage, and so on. You can also reorder them and remove what it is not useful for you. Method 7. Change the default tab of Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on the gear icon to open Settings. Under Settings, select Default Start Page. Select Startup Apps. In the drop-down, you will see a list of available tabs that will appear. Choose your preferred tab. Options include Processes, Performance, App History, Startup Apps, Users, Details, Services. Confirm the change, close Task Manager and reopen it. It will now open directly to the tab you selected. Method 8. Track power usage and monitor trends. These are available as additional columns and a great way to keep an eye on power usage and monitor trends. To do that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager to launch it. Then again, right-click on any of the column headers. Select Power Usage and Power Usage Trend. Method 9. Directly open an elevated CMD. If you hold the Control key and click Run New Task from Task Manager, it directly opens an elevated command prompt. Method 10. Freeze the Task Manager values. You can freeze the Task Manager values by holding the Control key. This can be useful in many ways. For instance, to catch the process that uses high CPU, switch over to the Details tab in Task Manager, hold down the Control key and click the CPU tab. You can catch the offending process right away. For more details, you can follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.